We kind of explore digital tools as a means for making fine art and design.
This image was our second project we did in this class. It was a combined image of recognizable artists. So I chose a few that some people might recognize: Salvador Dali, Lichtenstein, and Milton Glaser. And pretty much you come up with a composition that it's kind of compelling, kind of interesting.
Graphic design, it was quick to adopt and to utilize technology, digital technology. Fine art has been slower in adopting technology. That's changing quite quickly in the last 3 or 4 years.
It's helping me with design principles, color, composition, things like that. The ability to find the right fonts to portray something in the image, and the use of color, coloring the fonts so that it makes the same colors as in the photograph.
A lot of schools, the bachelor level and the master's level, have programs in digital media, have programs in interactive media. So I think our foundation students need to know that stuff before their sophomore year, before their junior year. They need to be comfortable with and familiar with the principles of digital art.